Good day everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be teaching ourselves on how to download satellite altimetry data from Sentinel-3, and we'll be doing that from Copernicus data space. So the first thing for us to do is to launch our browser. Then on our browser we are going to search from our search engine. We're going to search for Copernicus browser. Then the first link, that is browser.dataspace.copernicus.eu. Then this will take us to the data space. So this is the data space. The first thing for us to do is to log in. You might choose not to log in, but you will not be able to download data. So you log in. Because I have account with them already, that's why you can see my email and my login details. And if you don't have account with them, you can just register with them. It's less than 2 minutes to really register with them. So once you are done registering, then you can log in and meet us. So I'm going to log in now. After logging in, what we'll be doing most of our work on this left panel here. So the first thing for us to do is to come to this upright corner and go to our area of interest. My area of interest for this work is Nigeria. I can manually go to Nigeria like this, or I can go to place here and search for my area of interest. Let me just say Lagos. You see Lagos, Nigeria. I'll just click it here, and this area is Lagos, Nigeria. So I'll just zoom to my area of interest here. So after that, then I'm going to come here again, create an area of interest. I'm going to use this box, this rectangle, and I will draw a rectangle on my preferred area of interest. That is the area I want to download the data. And if you have a shape file, you can actually upload a shape file from here to close this. You can click on this to upload a shape file or a KML file. But I don't have that. I just use this. And my area of interest, I want to cover here and cover a larger part of the ocean too. So after doing that, come to search here, and we come to Sentinel-3. You check it, Sentinel-3. Inside the Sentinel-3, then we select our SREL. Then in this SREL, because the satellite altimetry data we are looking for, we want it to be on water. That's water, and satellite altimetry works better on water. The land is still having unnecessary issues because of reflectance. So we are going to select level 2 watts. This watt means water, and LEM means land and all that. So I'm going to select this. After selecting this, I'm going to scroll down again. Then my time range. So if you want to download maybe for 2020, 2020 something, this is where you select that. So I'm going to download for February 2025. So I'm just going to say from, click on it here. The calendar as shown here. Change this to February. Let me say February 1st, 2025 to March 1st, 2025. This done. After we have selected our time range too and our level 2 watts, all we just need to do is to click on search, and you can see the number of data that we have here. Now how this works is that this satellite altimetry data is not a raster data. If it is raster data, now you see it as an image, but it's like a LiDAR data or point data that this is the part of the satellite that's doing the observation of the altimeter. This is the part. So it's taking observation along the lines that shows in the area of interest. So and you can see here it's showing 9 results here. So and if you count this, it might be 9 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's having another one on top on that one. So that's not a big deal. So anyone you over on here on this left side to change it to green from blue, and see changes that. So normally, if you want to work in this area now, you're supposed to download for all, because we don't have data for this type of area. We don't have data for this type of area. We only have data along this line. So if you want to get data for this, after we have gotten our height, our sea surface topography or sea surface height, then we are going to interpolate for this, and that will be in another video entirely to do that. We're just going to download in this video. So after you have selected the one you want, like this, now I want to select this one, the first one, so that I will not miss it. Just click on this download product and it will start downloading. If you want to check some information about it, you can see product info here, and this is the information about the data. As you can check the product here, you'll be able to see the date of observation, origin date. You can see it, something like this. And also the instrument that was used is SRA here. So you can just close that, or you can just click download it. Anywhere you click download, you start downloading. You can see here that it has started downloading. And this is how to download satellite altimetry data from Copernicus browser. I'll see you in the next video, where we are going to talk on how to process the downloaded data and use it for further analysis, so that we can get our sea surface height and other information from our satellite altimetry data. Thank you, and God bless.